And now we are going to see about verben with nominative, accusative and dative. Okay, previously I already told you that to identify whether that sentence is accusative or dative or nominative, there's a simple method, right? So this is that method. Through the help of the verbs, you can identify whether that particular sentence is nominative, accusative, dative. You may have a doubt like how will I identify it? Very simple. There are a certain number of verbs for nominative, accusative, dative already. Okay, the thing that we have to do is we just have to memorize those verbs. Actually, I have given here four examples for each and every case, but there is not only 4 verbs for each and every cases. Okay, there are a lot more of verbs present for nominative, accusative and dative. Okay, so I just took four simple verbs that you can understand. So let's see for nominative first. See, for nominative, the first example is sein. Sein is to be. Sein is what? To be. We already saw this in the verb conjugation session, right? So heißen. Heißen is to be called. And werden. Werden is to become. And then bleiben. Bleiben is to stay. So if you see these kind of verbs in a sentence, then it is 100% sure then it's going to be nominative sentence. So if it's going to be nominative sentence, then you will obviously use nominative grammar, right? Likewise, we already saw this bestimmter article, unbestimmter article, negation article. So nominative articles are going to be used here. Not only articles, all the grammar parts can be used in this sentence. Okay. Then for accusative, see, let's take some examples. Haben. Haben is to have. Kaufen. Kaufen is to buy. Lernen. Lernen is to learn. Essen. And the meaning of essen is to eat. So these are some example verbs for accusative verb list. Okay, if this verb list or if this verbs present in a sentence, you can definitely assume that that sentence is accusative sentence. So you will obviously use the accusative grammar in that sentence. Okay, now let's move on to the dative. Dative also has a verb list and I have some examples for you. Helfen. Helfen is to help. What is the meaning of helfen? Helfen is to help. Stehen. Stehen is to stand. What is the meaning of stehen? It is to stand. Gehen. Gehen is to go. Gehen is to go. And gefallen. Gefallen is to like. So I gave you some examples for nominative, accusative and dative. So as I told you already, if these verbs are going to come in a sentence, then you are going to categorize them and you are going to identify them and use those grammars accordingly. And now I am going to show some example sentences where you can use these verbs with those cases.